Debra Argen for Luxury Experience, and we've got a great Father's Day cocktail that you are going to want to drink all summer long. It's called the Hot Smokin' Tomato Martini. And how we got that Hot Smokin' Martini was we infused Sono 1420 vodka with habanero, let the vodka rest for a few days until we reached the desired heat that we wanted. We combined 1 3/4 of the infused vodka with 3/4 of an ounce of K Bloody Mary mix, added 1/4 of an ounce of Noilly Prat extra dry vermouth, shook that up, and we'll just give it an extra little bit. We put 4 ice cubes in this shaker, strain it into our glass, garnish it with a sun-dried tomato. And here's where the smoking comes in. We take a dry piece of sprig of rosemary, light it before the wind takes it, but try it again. There we go. We're gonna let that catch on fire. And now we're gonna put that in the cocktail and let that gorgeous smoke come up. I'm Debra Argen for Luxury Experience. You can read more in luxuryexperience.com. Have a great day, happy Father's Day, and happy summer. Cheers. It's cocktail time.